Hi lovelies, welcome to another weekly vlog. First I will have this strawberry cheesecake along with the tea which I have prepared specially to have along with this cheesecake. Then I would like to show you these yellow tomatoes which will turn into red eventually when they ripen. I would also like to show you this beautiful card, and outside she has decorated it with real flower and inside it contains beautiful coat and chocolate as well. So that's so sweet of you. From few days I was looking for organic shampoos because in summer my hair become very frizzy and skull become very sweaty and we have to wash our hair regularly. So I was looking for the shampoo which doesn't contain any chemicals or sulfur or silicone based things. So from Mana I have ordered the organic shampoo and conditioner. They claim that it doesn't contain any harmful chemicals, plus the formula is hand blended as well. In this container there is a buttercup conditioner, and believe me you guys, it smells so good, and they're also offering 30% off on all their products. And this shampoo has geranium and chamomile as main components, and there was also available in different flavors as well. Before having my breakfast, I used to put some chia seed in room temperature water and mix it, and sometime if I need some flavor I also add some lemon into this. So I usually do this before my breakfast. Then I went to a parlor for my manicure, and after having my manicure I select this nude color as a nail paint. Whenever I'm sitting outside and Maxi is along with me, she always wants some head massage. Finally, I'm going to end my vlog with this cozy rain sound. Hope you've enjoyed it. I will see you in my next one. Bye.